That bitch is seized as a motherfucker.
Let's see what we got. No, stop. Still recording?
Yeah.
Hold on for a sec, dude. Yeah. Hey, hold on. Jesus Christ. There we go.
There would have freeze plugged or something.
I'm scared to go near this, man.
What do you think popped right there?
Head?
Maybe, yeah, the gasket? I don't know. I'm almost drunk.
You want to try and start it, see what happens?
Fuck it, started, dude. Hang on, let me take, here, hold that. I'm gonna take that. Oh man, I'm gonna get burnt, holy shit. I can't.
Leave it in, leave it in, leave it in.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
You gonna start it?
You gonna try?
Hold on for fucking. Yeah, it's out of commission, I think.
It's seized up.
It's done.
What?
Hey, what's the fuel, the temperature gauge say? Beyond? Beyond?
Yeah.
For you, homie. Hey, look down the exhaust pipe.
Come here, look at the exhaust pipe first.
Hey, it's on fire, dude.
Yeah, I know, it's coming out of the exhaust.
Oh. Turn that bitch off, dude.
Is it on fire? No.
It was blowing out of the exhaust.
It was blowing out of the exhaust.
What's up, bro?
Want to buy it? 50 bucks.
There goes $200.
Oh!
Yep, she ate shit. That sucks.
Under a four-wheeler.